Hi, I'm Geoff Grace with the Grace Real Estate team at RE/MAX Hallmark here in the Hunt Club, and I'm super excited to bring you through our newest listing. The main living area is a dream, anchored by a large island and accented with a Valor Fireplace. The home offers 3 full bathrooms, a master ensuite, a full bathroom with double sinks on the main floor, and a 4-piece bathroom on the lower level. The garage has been modified to allow for a pantry and space for a second fridge and deep freeze, but could easily be converted back to store a vehicle. Significantly expanded and renovated approximately 8 years ago, attention to detail and quality materials were at the forefront, both in what you can see and what you can't, such as high levels of spray foam insulation, on-demand hot water tank that services both the residential water and upgraded radiator heating system, the addition of central air conditioning, new drains, and more. The side door enters into a heated floor, which carries down to the lower mudroom, the perfect place to store life's daily accessories. This home features 3 bedrooms upstairs with 2 additional bedrooms in the basement, currently used as a home office and a home gym. The lower level doubles the size of the home and provides an amazing media room with wet bar. Or, with a little modification, the basement could be a separate living suite. The house sits on a 35 by 115 foot lot with a sunny west-facing pool-sized backyard, and the hot tub is included. Parkview Heights is one of the quietest and most in-demand streets in the Hunt Club. A literal 1-minute walk to Blantyre Public School, which runs from JK to 8 and offers before and after care, and a 2-minute walk to Blantyre Park, offering an outdoor swimming pool, playground, baseball diamond, and toboggan hills. This is an amazing community that you'll love to call home. I hope you enjoyed that house as much as I do. If you'd like to come see it in person, give us a call at 416-699-9295.